Hey Paige, I spoke with you earlier today and I just wanted to go ahead and just send you this video showing you 3 things that you guys can do to really outrank your competition and get some more customers in the door. There's 3 main things, and the first is content. You guys have a real nice page, and I really like the work you do and how you have it laid out. It's really nice. I would say that if you could find a way to get some more keywords, which is just phrases people are searching for, inside your content here, that would help you out tremendously. But overall, this website looks really good, so I'm a fan. One of the keywords I used was roof repair in Morehead because I know it's where you guys are based out of, and you're not showing up in the map pack here. So this is a big deal because this is where most people go to find business, right? Is in the Google Maps. So in order to rank in the Google Maps, all you guys need is citations. And a citation is just your name, address, phone number, and website being listed in directories. And you got to have more directories. You got to be listed in more directories than your competition here. What's a directory? It's like the phone book, yellow pages, things of that nature. And I recommend at least 80 or more in a small area. Depending on the competition, it can go up to more like 300. So it really just depends on your competition, but you need to make sure you're outdoing them. And then I noticed there's not a lot of competition when it comes to the pages down here. So that's great. It gets back to a couple things. In order to rank organically, which also has an impact on your map, just second tier impact, is the content that I just mentioned, and then backlinks. So I pulled up one of the competition sites here. You know that they have more dense content, but it's not nice, right? You could beat this out. You just got to make sure you have better content than them. And another one here is just more like a lead. They have more content, and it helps. So content. All right, now backlinks. So why are they beating you in some of these cases? Well, they have more backlinks. All a backlink is a link from one website to another. So if you think about like Facebook, linking your Facebook page to your website, that would be one link, one backlink. And the referring domain would be Facebook, would be the website it's coming from. So these numbers are out of 100. These basically represent popularity. So the higher they are, the more popular your website is. And Google wants to rank popular websites. So the more popular Google thinks you are, the more likely you are to rank for the keywords that it finds on your page, because it thinks people want to see your website. So it's going to try to find everything in there and show people it. So, and I'll pull your guys's up real quick. Your Ahrefs, and this Ahrefs is just a tool I use to go through all this. Your score is a lot lower, and if all you need to do to get this going is to add more backlinks and make sure they're good quality backlinks. A link from someone's blog isn't going to carry as much weight as a news website. So keep that in mind while you're doing this, and it'll help you out tremendously. There are people searching for these terms, and if you start ranking for them, you'll get more people coming to your website each and every day. So I hope you found this informative. Just to kind of recap, you're going to want to have at least 1,500 words of content, which you're close to it. So you want to just tighten them up and make sure you got the right keywords. The second thing is making sure you have enough citations. And then the third is good quality backlinks. Well, Paige, I hope you found this informative. Please give me some feedback. I'd love to know what you think. And hopefully I'll hear from you soon. Thanks.